This is one of the biggest questions people ask all the time. Right is, should I build my list and my following before I create an online course? That question often makes me laugh. It's imagine like a store owner would say, they want to open a shoe store and they would say, or e-commerce, they're like, you know what, should I go and build the list before I start selling my shoes? No, that's not how it works. What they would do, they would create that e-commerce store, start advertising and start selling shoes, and year after year, they would get return customers. So what I would suggest to you is the same thing. If you're starting out in this industry, this e-learning industry, either coach, speaker, trainer, whatever you do, you might be complete newbie and your list might be very, very small. So your social media engagement might be very, very small. And you might be saying, you know what, I'm gonna create a product a little bit later. But what I see, case after case after case, this is what happens. People spend thousands of dollars building their website, their business card, going to seminars, taking webinars, buying courses on course creation, but they never have a program of their own. They have nothing to offer. Or they decide to write a book, which is often awesome that you want to write a book, but writing a book takes sometimes a year or a couple years to write a book, and then you make no money with the book. So my answer to you would be this: create a product, and preferably a product that you can automate and scale with. And the easiest way to do that is creating an online course. If you create a course, right, you have a course, and you go out and go to an event. You get you offer a free speaking gig. I'm going to come to your event. I'm going to speak for free. So you go speak to, let's say, 300 people. If you don't have a product to sell that you can easily, automate and email to them the access to the course, book you can't do that because you have to ship and profit margins are really, really small. But if you have a course, let's say you sell for $500, you go to an event where you speak for free. And then at the end, casually you announce, hey, if you'd like to learn more about this topic, I suggest that you go to my website, whatever the website.com, and sign up for my online course. And because you came to this event, I'll give you a special promo code, and you give them the special promo code. You go home, in next 2 days, you notice 10 people signed up. Your $1,000 course for $500 because you gave them half off. Now 10 people, you just made $5,000 from that one free speaking engagement. But if you have no product to sell, that would not happen. Yes, you would get speaking engagement experience, you would become a better speaker, but you would still not make money. So to me, when people ask me that question, should I build? I'm like, yeah, you could do that. You could do that, but it would take you years before you start making your first, couple hundred or couple thousand dollars for your business. My advice to you is this: create a course, start offering even to your small list. If you have 100 people, if you offer them to your course and sell 2, it's better than 0. 2 signups are better than 0. And then as you scale, as you grow, you can reinvest some of that money and keep building your list and keep selling more and more. And the best part, you're gonna keep tweaking your course. You're gonna learn about marketing strategies because you've been selling, you start learning how to sell. I'll give you one of the case scenarios. Marie Forleo, when she started years ago, she was nobody. She just started offering her course, it's called B School, and she built traction, and now she makes, last time I heard, anywhere between $15 to $20 million a year. So you gotta start somewhere. So if that sparks your interest and you think, you know what, that totally makes sense, I'd like to create an online course, I'll be happy to jump on a call with you. So click the link below and book your free consultation call with our company, Thrive Courses Studio, and we'll be happy to talk to you to see how we can help you create your very first online product. And your first product doesn't have to be this huge product. You can create something smaller. You can start offering, for a couple $100, and then you can build your signature course down the road. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and that's all for now, and I'll see you soon.